Welcome to 2025, a new year filled with new opportunities, fresh beginnings, and endless possibilities. This is the perfect time to reinvent yourself, redefine your goals, and take control of your life. Today, we'll show you how to build the ultimate looks-maxing routine, an essential guide to refining your style, boosting your confidence, and making this year the best one yet. Are you ready to transform your look and your mindset? Let's dive in. The foundation of your look. Your skin is the foundation of your appearance. No matter how great your outfit or hairstyle is, clear and healthy skin can take your look to the next level. Start with the basics: a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil, a moisturizer that suits your skin type, and sunscreen to protect against harmful UV rays. Don't skip exfoliation. Once or twice a week is enough to keep your skin smooth and free of dead cells. A consistent skincare routine not only enhances your look, but also boosts your confidence. Think of it as the first step toward a polished, radiant version of yourself. Grooming and hair care. Grooming is the bridge between ordinary and extraordinary. Your hairstyle should complement your face shape and reflect your personality. Regular trims keep your hair looking sharp, while styling products like pomade or wax add the finishing touch. Don't forget about facial hair, it's just as important. Whether you prefer a clean shave, a neatly trimmed beard, or a bold mustache, make sure it's well maintained. Grooming is about precision and attention to detail, and it's these small touches that set you apart. How you present yourself tells the world how you feel about yourself. So, what's your grooming game plan for 2025? Fitness and posture. Your body is a vital part of your overall look. Fitness not only enhances your physical appearance, but also improves your mental well-being. A balanced workout routine focusing on strength, cardio, and flexibility can transform your physique and your energy levels. But it's not just about working out, it's about how you carry yourself. Posture is everything. Standing tall with your shoulders back exudes confidence and commands attention. Fitness and posture go hand in hand, creating a presence that's hard to ignore. 2025 is the year to get stronger, stand taller, and step into every room with purpose. Fashion and style. Style is your silent introduction. It's the first thing people notice and the impression that lingers. Start with the essentials: well-fitting clothes, timeless pieces, and neutral colors that can be easily mixed and matched. Add layers like a blazer or a leather jacket for versatility. Shoes matter. Invest in quality pairs that match the occasion, whether casual sneakers or formal dress shoes. Accessories like watches, belts, and scarves can elevate your outfit further. Remember, fashion is what you buy, but style is how you wear it. In 2025, let your wardrobe tell the story of who you are and where you're going. Confidence and charisma. Looks-maxing isn't just about how you look, it's about how you make others feel. Confidence is the foundation of charisma, and both can be cultivated. Practice good communication skills, maintain strong eye contact, and don't underestimate the power of a genuine smile. Charisma is magnetic. It draws people in and leaves a lasting impression. Building confidence takes time, but with every small step, you'll find yourself standing taller and speaking more assuredly. Let 2025 be the year you master the art of presence, making you unforgettable wherever you go. Your journey starts now. You've just learned the key steps to building the perfect looks-maxing routine. Now it's time to put these into action. Remember, every step you take is an investment in your future self. Our channel is here to support you, inspire you, and guide you through each phase of your transformation. Every video we create is designed to be a stepping stone, helping you build a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let's make 2025 the year you achieve your goals. You've got this. We're with you every step of the way.